Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to Leafy Life. Today, we are chatting about one of the easiest and most rewarding plants you can have, our green buddy, the spider plant. Seriously, if you're just starting out or already have a jungle at home, this one's a keeper. So, let's talk light. Spider plants are pretty chill. They love bright, indirect light, so think about setting them up a few feet away from a sunny window. They can handle lower light too, but if you want those leaves to really shine, give them some decent daylight. Now, on to watering. These plants like to stay on the moist side, but not soaked. A good rule of thumb, water them when the top inch of soil feels dry. And don't forget, drainage is key. No one likes soggy roots, right? Oh, and here's something fun. Spider plants are super easy to propagate. See those little babies or spiderettes? You can snip them off and stick them in some water or soil. Before you know it, you'll have a whole spider plant family growing in no time. One last tip, spider plants love a bit of humidity, which makes them perfect for bathrooms. If your home tends to be on the dry side, give them a little misting now and then, or put them near a humidifier to keep them happy. And that's it. With just a little tender loving care, your spider plant will reward you with lush, green leaves and a bunch of baby plants. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and as always, happy planting! Hope you enjoyed this video and discovered a few new varieties of ornamental plants. If you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe. We'll be posting more tips, tricks, and videos all about plant care. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.